A sound sensor module is an electronic board designed to detect acoustic waves by converting variations in air pressure into electrical signals. The module consists of a microphone, typically an electric condenser variant that acts as the primary transducer, an amplifier IC, which amplifies low-voltage microvolt output from the microphone, and a potentiometer, a built-in trimmer dial used to calibrate the threshold sensitivity manually. The 5 volts and GND pins are connected to 5 volts and ground, respectively. The out pin is connected to the positive pin of an LED which is connected to ground via a 220 ohm resistor.